Okay, Canon just dropped their newest camera and you need to see this. I got invited to the launch of the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. The event was held at Gallo Pasay and the theme was Filipino. Real talk, I love how they blended Canon's brand with such a rich Filipino vibe. From the folk dances to the cultural setup, ang ganda. Very Filipino excellence. Canon Philippine executives kick off the launch along with the lineup of iconic Filipino photographers. And after the main program, here comes the fun part. We finally got to see, touch, and actually try the newest camera. Before I even got to the R6 Mark III, this one really caught my eye. The EOS R5 Mark II. High detail 45MP photos, 8K raw video as in ultra clear. Like napawaw talaga ako seeing the shots through the lens in real time. But now let's talk about the real star of the day, the R6 Mark III. It shoots 7K raw meaning super crisp and you can crop without losing quality. Carrying to 12 frames per second meaning perfect sa fast action shots. It has 32.5MP sensor meaning photos sharp lagi. Di mo na kailangan ng filter dahil may smooth skin mode siya at may dual card slots pa. Guys, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is next level. Let's unbox naman this kit next.